Integrity, empathy, and mutual respect. Three core values that we expect from all of our students, and especially during this time where prejudice is prominent throughout the world, even in Malaysia. It is up to us, the community, to create a culture that embraces diversity and encourages unity. Through the Prefect's Diversity, Unity and Life campaign, we can all contribute to a cause created in our school.
We will initiate this campaign in 3 stages. One dedicated to each of the words listed in the title of this campaign. For stage 1, we will embrace diversity. We will be hosting a name badge competition where everyone will be express their individuality and characters without words. In a time where we can't identify people as easily with masks on, we hope this measure encourages everyone to wear their name tag with pride. The top 3 designs from each category, which are Form 1s to 3, Form 4 to 5, and the 6th form, will receive Cafe Jam vouchers.
We'll then initiate the second stage, which is to encourage unity. All the submissions from the main badges competition will be compiled to create a massive mural to depict how KTJ puts the word unity into action in the community. First place winners of each category will have the honor in helping to design the mural. A playlist called Diverse Universe will be created on Spotify, and once publicized, everyone is encouraged to add songs into the playlist as long as it celebrates diversity, and we'll be playing it in the dining hall for 2 weeks straight. After all, music is also a universal language.
We all gotta grow up. I'm just an icon living. Start a record label, Miss Fish just did it. Whoa. Interview, cover 5 minutes. Whoa. We are too hot in the business. Whoa.
Finally, for stage 3, we will enjoy live. We will collect multiple videos of students dancing or simply vibing to the song Gichi Gichi Groove, or alternatively answer some philosophical questions to prove how we, as a united school, can combat the negativity our world is currently facing with a bit of positivity. However, this campaign will not solve all of our problems overnight. All of us, including you, have a part to play. If you have any inquiries or would like to contribute to a greater cause, don't hesitate to contact the prefects or the staff members. And remember, when we embrace diversity and encourage unity, only then can all of us enjoy life.
널 비춰주는 일